There's Kendall. Today's February 23rd. She's been rolling over like crazy. Now I got the video. She won't roll over. Oh. Bless you. Look at those legs go. And she's almost. Look at those. Almost. You can do it, babies. You can do it. Get a good start. Come on. Here's your froggy. Here's your froggy. Come get your froggy. Come on, babies. Oh. Almost. Look at that. She's throwing her arm out and her legs. Come on, babies. Come get your froggy. Say hello, Mr. Froggy. Hello. Come on, you can do it. Almost. Come on. Look at you throw your body. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. And there you go, folks. She is completely rolled over. Yay. Her little arm gets stuck. She's not sure what to do with that yet. Say yay, Kendall!